Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. This is Mohammad Suhaib Ahmed, working at Government Primary School Habibnagar. I hope you are all well and safe and maintaining coronavirus rules and regulations at your home and doing work given by your teachers and watching DD Yadagiri and TSAT channels on the screen on the television. As your new academic year started from 1st September through online lesson, today I am here to explain a new topic which is religious program level 1 for class 5th students, subject English. The topic name is Things Around Us, concept, grammar, conventions of writing, worksheet number 1. Before I explain about this topic, I am going to show you some pictures. Let's go for it. Everything around us has a name. So let's name these pictures which are going to show you on the screen. Persons like mother, father. Yes, you are right. Girl. Very good. Boy. Yes, it is very correct answer. Teacher, etc. Similarly, some places also around us, like church, temple, yes, mosque. Very good. Very good. It is hospital, school, and so on, etc. And things we see around us having names too. What do you see in this picture? Yes, it is chair. Very good. Bag, book. Very good. And pen. My dear children, just like things have names, persons have names, and places are also have names. Similarly, all animals also have names. Okay, let's try to name these pictures. Cow, very good. Yes, it is a cat. Very good. Dog, tortoise. You are right, it is an elephant. Camel, zebra, tiger, lion, etc. I have also a name. What is my name? My name is Suhaib, and you are also have a name. You have also a name like Irfan, Saleha, Arshad, Faris, Simra, etc. Okay, all naming words are called nouns. All naming words are called nouns. Hope you understand. Some sentences are given here. Identify the nouns in the given sentences. How many sentences are given? 4 sentences are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have to identify nouns in the given sentences. Okay, try to read the first sentence. Try to read the first sentence, this sentence. Very good. Irfan is writing in his book. What we have to do, children? We have to identify the nouns. Okay, in this sentence, Irfan is a noun because it is a person name, and book also a naming word. It's also a noun. Book is a name of a thing. Very good. Now you look at second sentence. Do you want to read this sentence? Come on, read it. Saleha is watching television in her home. Okay, in this sentence, Saleha is a noun because it is a person name, girl name, and television is also a noun because it is a name of a thing, and home is also a noun because it is a name of a place. Very good sentence. Waris looks happy. In this sentence, Waris is a name of Waris. It is a name of a boy, so it is a noun. In number 4 sentence, the teacher is in the school. In this sentence, identify the noun. Yes, teacher. Teacher is a noun, and school because it is a. Dear children, come to the worksheet. Worksheet number 1. Read first exercise. What is it? Come on, read it. Tick the correctly spelled word and write the correctly spelled word and write it in the space provided. Children, as you see here, some words are given and some space also given. So we have to identify the correct spelling and write in the space provided. Okay, now you look at the first word, CHIAR. CHAIR. In these 3 words, which word has correct spelling? Yes, you are right. CHAIR is a correct spelling. So write here CHAIR. Chair. Very good. Like this, you have to read all these words and tick the correctly spelled word and write in the space provided. Okay, very good. Now come to the second exercise. What is given here? Write any 5 naming words. Naming word means nouns. Just earlier we have discussed about nouns. So write any 5 naming words in the space given, okay, or in your notebook, and take a photo of that page and send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay, children. Thank you for watching my video. I will be back with another video with another worksheet. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz, children.